Congratulations for taking the first step towards an incredible journey for a happier, healthier, and wealthier life, now and in retirement. So, why should you participate in our workshop? Why you need to protect your assets and your freedom? Because it's about you and how you will be able to realize the lifestyle you want and deserve. Even if you decide to retire early, or I'd say especially if you want to escape the rat race this year. Now, this is about opening your eyes, thinking outside the box, and finding your own answers. This is about tools I'm sharing with you so you can find all the information you need to assess your personal situation. This is about numbers and facts that will rock you. Before we get started with our first session, let me give you a quick overview of what we're going to cover in this workshop. You'll learn about the paradigm shift in retirement and how Americans in general are prepared for their retirement. We'll also give you the tools to check if and how you are prepared for your golden years. We talk about the challenge of making big decisions, common myths to shatter, and the drama of procrastination. And then we walk you through the multiple benefits of living or retiring overseas. This will be an eye-opener, even if this topic has never crossed your mind. I promise. This is not about sitting, watching, and just absorbing the information I'm going to share. This is about actively joining, grabbing a pen and paper, and rolling up your sleeves. If you do not want to worry about recession, inflation, medical bills, and if your savings will allow you to retire comfortably, all I'm asking you is to invest about 90 minutes of your time, and I will demonstrate how you can enjoy financial freedom, safety, and retirement, and enjoy your truly golden years. And if you stay till the end, I have a free gift for you. Sounds good? Okay, then please follow me to our BetterLife 50 Plus Conference Center. Just register by entering your full name, email, and assigning yourself a password to start the workshop and gain access to the BetterLife 50 Plus platform. See you in a minute.